One friend, baby.
All the bills we go, laughing all the way. Till some cocktail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight! Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh! Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh! Hey.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, Johanna Mancho, and if you're existing, welcome to my channel. So it's Sunday today. I'm not gonna cook. We're going to Cosmo Dumpling just next door. We're going to try out their food yet again. So yeah, we're not doing much, and I'm going to return my t-shirts. I don't know the name of the store. I bought t-shirts, so they are very small. The cut is so small, so I just need to exchange them. And yeah, and we'll do some unboxing. And yes, when a girl.
Huh? No.
Okay, and then right for that, don't take away, yeah. Same food, but then also with extra how tomato on the side. Guys, we are back. We are back from Dumbolo. What do they call the place? Kind of like it's a Cosmo City Dumpling. Ne? I know I have like unboxed their food some time ago when you moved this side. It's their dumpling. Ah, ooh, this looks nice. Nyama yenko. Oh, babe, this looks nice. It's not like oh.
Here you go.
I'm gonna enjoy this. Looks nice. Looks so nice. Let's taste. But mom, one family baby. I haven't got. Guys, it's so nice. It is so nice. O gotta get jam mogodu. It tender. Not project. So get like soja. Okay. And then come get mogodu, cabbage, le chakalaka. Same in here. Mogodu, cabbage, le chakalaka. I just want to eat now. So now I know what namatloche taste jwang. So when I cook it, I can. Now I know. But you must keep your competitors close. So now I know what guys, I couldn't exchange the t-shirt. There was a whole lot of drama. But I'll leave it. I guess it's a t-shirt here to lose weight and measure myself with it. But I did exchange the other one and took this pink one. Anyway, they're so bad, guys. I'm not even gonna tell. Their customer experience sucks. Big time. What's this? I'm gonna say the name anyway. Gets us in Jackal Creek. That guy, man, was so mean. I don't wanna lie. He was so mean. And I went to Meat World. I wasn't even supposed to go to Meat World, guys. I'm trying not to go and buy unnecessary stuff. Pinguile chilies and then some Spanish tomatoes. So the regular simply because 2 is 20 rand. Let me see, I'll tell you, because they're running this two item special. Cherry curry leaves, red chili, it's 14 rand. Spanish tomato times 1 minus 10 rand. So I bought 2 for 20 rand. 2 for 20 rand, and then taraka carrots, little carrots, these are like 2 for 15 rand or something. But I bought 1 for 11. I don't wanna fall into the trap where two. And then mango 3, 35 rand, 30 rand, 3 mangoes. And I wanted some double cream yogurt, guys. I'm not saying this because I went to the event and everything else, but this clover double cream, and let me show you which one, because it's Christmas now. You're gonna have to add this baby when you go shopping, guys. Please, I'm begging you. Well, I'm not getting paid for this, right? But to experience that custard, the velvety and the smoothness, this is your baby to add on your Christmas grocery shopping. I know the price might be a bit steep than the normal vanilla cream custard, but this one, yo guys, everything double by Bliss and Clover. Perfection. I am not lying to you, perfection. So I am becoming an addict with muesli. So if I am not using that, I would use any fruity yogurt. And then we got some peaches and fresh cream. Clover better come through for the girl, ne? Hey, brand loyalty. And another special, we're in a Meat World, you see, ne? I'm promoting you. So they have these juices They sell them 3 for 45 rand. Yeah, let me open and show you. I've never seen them. I'm gonna give them a try. The boring thing about buying in a box, you get one flavors. I'm not sure if they come with different flavors, but this is a permanent brand, and it's the thingy, the cabana. It says Parmalat Cabana with a touch of dairy for the velvety smooth taste. I guess that's that. We would give this a try and see how it goes. So it's 3 for 45 rand and 6 for 85 rand. That's like cheap at Meat World. I don't know from any other stores. It's for the first time I'm seeing this, but simply because it's Parmalat, we trust the brand. Also, it's just the same as Clover. We do this and the kids will have something to drink, plus heat wave earring and I now Coke. And we haven't stocked up on water. So yeah, this is what we bought. What up, girl? Bum bum bum. At least it's a little crunchy. It's very bland. I know, like, I would like a little try. Yes.
Hi guys, my name is Manchu. And why are you thinking why I was here?
Yes, why are you here? Tell us.
Okay, it's because I was here. We just came back from the shops.
Okay.
And I wanted to say thank you so much to give this like and comment.
Oh, nice. Thank you, my baby. Tell them they must do what?
They must like and subscribe and comment in your channel.
Guys, you heard her. You guys, if you love this video, you must like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys later.
I love you guys so much.
Yay! We're passing the love. It's Christmas love.
25 Christmas, here I come.
Yes.